Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT AI Artificial Intelligence. In this lecture, I guide you how write programming code with help of ChatGPT. I asked question how write in React Native loop. Let's start working. React Native code and write the code how it's work in React Native programming language. They start writing and guide us how it's work. Let's check. In React Native, you use the map method to integrate over an array and render list on the examples. Import React from React, import view text from React Native, context my list, return view, items map, items index, view index text, item view text view. This render list item where items in array object of with name property. The key required perform reason should unique identifier for each them array. You also use for loop or for off loop integrate or array in React Native. Here example using for loop. Import React from React, import view text from React Native, my list, return view, let's for let I equals 0, I less than atom length plus view key I atom text. And here is example using for of loop. React, import React from React, import view text from React Native, my list property, return view let's I equal 0, for consist atom for purpose atom view key. Both these example will produce same result. Now ask any other questions. I ask question write JavaScript array. How write array in JavaScript? They are start writing in JavaScript programming. They are creating code of array in JavaScript programming language. They have completed. Let's check. There are several ways to create array in JavaScript. Here is example how create array. Fruits apple, banana, orange. You can also create array using new apple, banana. Access element of array, use square brackets, and you also use for each method. They have explained many different methods about using array in JavaScript console. These are methods which define the array in JavaScript programming language. I asked again questions in Java programming. How write array? Let's start creating code of Java. Let's check in Java programming. I asked question, write Java array. In Java, you can create array by using new operation or specify the type of elements. Int array new int 5. This create array integer with size 5. You can also create initialize any array single like this. Initial int array 1 2 3 4 5. You can also example element array using index. Index first element int array 0. Int array third element is 2. You can also loop integrate for element in array examples. For integer I equals 0, I int array length I plus plus system out print in array I. This print each element in array console. They have used different methods in Java's programming. I asked question again, write Java loop. They have explaining all do while loop, for loop, all loops in Java programming. They are creating loops for me and guide. Let's check in the what program code have wrote for us. Do while loop, for loop, for integer I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, system out print line I. While loop, I int I equals 0, while I less than 10, system out print I plus plus. Do while loop, integer I plus 0, do system out print line I plus plus, while I less than 10, this loop will print the number of 0 to 9 to the console. The loop will run at least once and then it will continue run as long I is less than 10, increment by 1. For example, for int 0, I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, if I 5 break system out line print in I. Ads help us also in programming language. The benefit of AI, it's very useful and especially very good for programmers and learners. If they have difficulty any programming, it's help them. It's very great tool. Thank you very much. If you have any query, can ask me. See you next video lecture.